this far side also you have many monuments in the backyard. This is one of the panels probably from the front of the church. Looks tall enough. One of the capitals, probably one of the entryway capitals. Beautiful acanthus leaves on that capital there. Some crosses here, probably from a grave. Looks like from a grave from that time period. Could have been from one of the graves there alongside the church. Beautiful feather capital with heart shape type of cross in the middle there. Very beautiful on that sense. And see, here is a wreath of victory, that you were crowned with the crown of victory of life, for the wreath of life as a reward. Again, most likely a symbol there of the cross in the middle. Other pillars. So here we have some lettering, probably of the Byzantine king. That was, Here it's rounded here. These crosses here is from the pulpit that used to be here in the basilica. You have different pillars probably on the edge of the building, maybe entryway, but this is definitely the pulpit area from the two crosses sitting there.